When your engine RPM suddenly shoots up, but the car barely accelerates or doesn't move as expected, it is one of the clearest signs of a slipping clutch. Many drivers notice the engine revving loudly while the vehicle struggles to gain speed, especially when climbing hills, overtaking, or carrying heavy loads. This happens because the clutch is no longer able to transfer the engine's power efficiently to the transmission. Instead of gripping firmly, the clutch disc slips against the flywheel, wasting power and generating excessive heat. One of the earliest warning signs of clutch slipping is poor acceleration, despite high engine RPM. You may press the accelerator pedal and hear the engine rev higher, but the vehicle's speed increases very slowly. This symptom is often most noticeable in higher gears, where the clutch must handle greater torque loads. Many drivers mistake this for an engine problem, when the real culprit is a worn clutch assembly.
Another common symptom is a burning smell coming from underneath the vehicle. As the clutch slips, friction material overheats and produces a distinctive odor similar to burning paper or overheated brakes. This smell often appears after driving in heavy traffic, towing, climbing steep roads, or repeated stop-and-go driving. Continued operation under these conditions can quickly destroy the clutch friction material. A worn clutch may also cause difficulty when towing or driving uphill. The engine may seem to have enough power, but the vehicle struggles to move efficiently. In severe cases, the clutch can slip so badly that the engine revs freely while the car barely moves forward. This not only reduces performance, but can leave you stranded unexpectedly if the clutch fails completely.
Another warning sign is a change in clutch pedal feel. The pedal may engage unusually high, feel softer than normal, or require different pedal travel before the vehicle begins moving. Some drivers also experience shuddering, vibration, or jerking during takeoff. These symptoms often indicate that the clutch disc, pressure plate, or release bearing is nearing the end of its service life. Ignoring clutch slip can lead to much more expensive repairs. Excessive heat from a slipping clutch can damage the flywheel, pressure plate, release bearing, and even transmission input shaft components. What might have started as a simple clutch replacement can turn into a significantly larger repair bill. If you notice rising RPM without matching vehicle acceleration, a burning smell, or poor power transfer, it's important to inspect the clutch system as soon as possible, before complete failure occurs.